Welcome back. We're here. I've changed all the blower header tank, so I'm just about to fill it up with a bit of Penrite concentrate coolant and add a bit of water, and she'll be nice and mint to start up once I finish that fuel line. Let's get onto it. Welcome back to VoiceOver Mac. Here we are. Had to adjust this reg a few times to get the bracket nice and sweet for all my pipes to be nice and level. Got that done amazingly. Then die grinded the bulkhead fitting out so I could fit that and finish off my pipes. Okay, so where we're up to is I've drilled out our bulkhead fitting, made it fit. Talking to Jamie the other night, we did notice that there's a little bit of a step on there, so I've made a washer. I didn't have a big enough washer. There's my my used washers, and my brand new one's just too big, so I literally put it in my vice grip and then die grinded that out to fit on there mint, and now she's nice and tight. Let's repeat that process now. Had the little Garys involved. They were lubing up the olives for my hardline fittings, and that worked a treat. Thanks, guys. Nearly ready to make the breather. I'm gonna probably use about 10 coils to work out how to do that nice little pigtail thing, but I've got to disassemble all of this so I can fix this pump now. And yeah, I'll put you on time lapse so you can see me pull it all apart. Okay, tank's out the way, so I need to drill a hole here and here for our power supply there, and I need to drill 2 holes behind here to actually fix that, because that's just been held in by both fittings at the minute. Alright legends, we've got a few visitors today. Got my father-in-law, have a look at him. Happy as Larry over there. And we've got good friend and mate who owns Mackielec.
Yeah, it's about right.
That's about right. Now what have we come up with, mate?
Well,
we'll tell them the problems first. Let's go up to the front and show what I nearly did.
It's got an LS, that's the problem.
I may have nearly blew the car up before we even got it started.
Just an easy oversight.
You keep it down, Foss.
This is just for a standard rubber line, this one here. So it's got the little bulb at the front and the bulb at the back. Yep. Whereas like a typical LS setup, they've got the crossover in the rail that goes from left to right rail. And those style rails have like an EFI, they call it an EFI fitting, which just pretty much, this is a Raceworks fitting. Yep. That just slips onto the rail, and then you've just got a little nut at the back that retains it onto the rail, and then you can adapt it to the whatever AN size you want. This one, unfortunately, has the little bulb at the back, so we can't slip that fitting on.
See.
So, I think we're going to do some Yahooing.
Some Mackie spec, not Mackielec. Mackie
spec. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I've done this before, so it's not that bad. We'll just cut that bulb off, and then that will pretty much give us what is essentially an EFI style fitting, and then we can slip on this bad boy and keep going with our fuel system.
Amazing. All right, tune back in. We're just gonna run. I gotta finish the wires in the boot and put all the fuel system back together and run the Dash 8 black braided line. Got there in the end.
That'll work.
Alright, we're going to chop this down to get our fitting on. Amazings. I won't film the dodginess. Oh, stop it.
Look at this.
Hey?
Look at this go.
Can plumb.
So what, that won't leak?
No.
No, just a little bit.
2 O-rings on the inside.
And if it leaks, it's down the back.
Yeah. Straight into the cabin.
Amazing.
How to do the Teflons.
How to do the Teflon.
This may not be the right way, but hey, this is how I do it, and I haven't had a leak yet.
It's the Mackie way.
Alright, so you've obviously got your fitting. That's an olive, sealing olive, and then you've just got the, it's like a lock nut sort of thing. So I've done it too many times. You put the fitting together and then you forget that, and it's like, ugh. So that literally just slips on. like so. Put that on there. So this olive, if you look here, you've obviously got your cloth, you've got your braid, and then your teff.
Yep.
That needs to go in between the braid and the Teflon.
Right.
So where's your little tool? This might work. Use this to just push the braid out. So that sort of separates the teff from the braid.
Mm-hmm.
Now, watch out, because this, I'm pretty sure this stuff's sharper than like professional fucking sashimi knives. It's fucking, it'll hurt. So that, and then I usually get the olive in there. Oh yeah, we'll use our tool. And you just like, I don't even know if this is how you use the tool, but
I think there's two ends on it.
Is there? Oh, that might be the Dash 8 tool. Oh, look at it all.
Stop it.
Holy dooly.
This is what I've been doing, going through this stuff going, what the...
That's fancy as. I've never used this before. Yeah, okay, so that just...
that just rounds that... That's that hard bit that we couldn't get round.
It's exactly what it's designed to do. That's amazing. So then you get the, olive obviously goes in between the two. It can be a bit of a pain sometimes. And if sometimes you can stretch the teff too much, and it's a pain. If you've got cannons like me, you can just use your fingers. No, so that just goes to the top, and then it's super easy. That fitting just pushes in, like so. You might use, that's what that might be designed for, to in between, so it like spreads the teff out. That goes in there, that goes on top.
Is that it?
That's literally it. It's too easy, man.
I love this running in.
They make it way too easy for you. So
you gotta reef them up?
Yep, so I usually try and leave a fingernail-ish distance between the lock nut and the, I guess the swivel nut is, what's that called? I don't know. A and B nut, I think they're called. But just a fingernails distance. A little bit of lubrication.
How tight are they going to be?
Yeah, as I said, I try and crank the nut up to about where, like my fingernail can fit in between them. Yeah, just a little bit of lube. Just helps the medicine go down.
It's always time for lube.
And that pulls it right up.
Yeah, and then that nut will seal on the olive, and then the olive seals the Teflon, and the rest is history. Use your fancy boy jaws.
Mitch showed me how to tighten that up. Thought it was a bit boring to show you, but here we are doing some wiring, cleaning up, refixing the tank in for the final time, plumbing the pipes all in for the final time. Now, ran my wires. I did put a couple of cool little Raceworks clips on, and next we'll be fueling up, I think. All right, bringing up to speed. We've got all the fan bam here. Got the Outlaws here. Bloody gooses. We've just jacked the car up. She's all ready to go. Mitch has just given us a lesson on how to do, what did we do? The braided hose, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, good chat. Camera try. Yeah. So this is where I'm at. I'm still not yet to tackle the twirly breather. Oh, shivers. There's me buddy. Thought that was grandma. So yeah, we'll get under, work out where this is going, put the filter and the little valve, and she'll be apples. Next job, I'm underneath the car. I've just put the little breather filter on, and now I'm going to work out where I'm going to run my braid. Down under here, so I'm going to undo all my tech screws into the floor and work out where we're going to run this braid this time, because have a look, pretty messy down there. Wouldn't bloody read about it. I'm marking this out so I can use my favourite nutcert gun again, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now I've got these new big toenail clippers. I'm going to give this a cut. Nice wonky cut. On the tape somewhere. Boom! Like a glove. Right, do you want to... I'll get under the car.
Yeah, you pull that
that back here.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so that's our hose there. Ah, shit! You pulled off me mark, you dickhead.
Huh?
You pulled off me mark!
For what?
To cut it!
Oh, did I?
You dickhead! Yeah, about there. About there. Oh, are you kidding me? One job.
You'll see it.
No.
Push it through, we'll get it back in. Push it through.
Alright, take two. We're going to push this back through under the car because Fossil stitched me up. Okay, take two. We've done this. If he touches the fitting, I'm going to kill him. I'll be done. I'm going to give it a bit extra just in case you stitch me again. Love my toenail clippers. Alright, fitting. Let's see how we do this. Got no Mitch to hold my hand this time. There you go, my first official fitting. Beautiful. Alright. We'll fit this. Good work. Just closing your eyes doesn't mean you're not seeing your goose. Alright, let's try this one more time without you being an F-wit. After being stitched up by the father-in-law, I finally got the fuel line in and nearly ready to start up. Fuel time, baby! Put a bit of fuel in that bloody jerry can. I reckon I'm going to make a mess. Yeah, I reckon I'm going to...
Stop. Shake it now.
No. It's alright, that's why I got the rag there.
Just shake the
Nice.
I used to do that when you were, before you were born.
Yeah, but you're stealing it out of cars.
True. He's about ready to start.
I might want to move from here, mightn't I?
No, it's all right.
Alright, yell out if any fuel leaks.
Yes. Go for it.
I'll do it again.
Go for it. Go. No, nothing.
It might take a couple of times. Can you read the pressure gauge?
All good. I can't see the pressure gauge.
Yeah, okay.
All good. No leaks. No. All good there.
It looks so nice. It's beautiful.
Alright. Nervous.
Yeah, fire it up. Slackers.
Try now.
No, I'm starting now.
Got one leak.
One way.
Where?
Right.
Hang on.
But at least we have pressure
Tiny box.
from one fitting.
What?
Leaking from that fitting there.
Oh, from there.
Dad, what was inside this box?
Yeah, I see it, yeah.
Well, there you go. She starts, she runs. I said I'd get it run today. Thanks for your help, Foss.
Oh.
A liquid
One
I've got
leak.
one little leak on that fitting there, so we'll tighten that up
Tighten that up. Should be
and
right.
go again. Well, there you go. I can't stop it.
That's good, Mackie. Oh yeah, that's not tight, is it? Oh jeez. I thought you said you tightened every bloody thing. Checked it.
That might have been the one where it was a bit tight.
Said he checked everything. I asked him.
Checked it twice.
Yeah, I asked him. He said, oh yeah, all right. All right,
Can
my
I show
ass.
you how?
One out of how many? Not bad.
Yes, slack ass.
Just come here for a second.
Yeah, would have been too late if they caught fire, wouldn't
Hang
it?
on. Just wait.
Give me a minute.
One too early.
What is that?
You slack bastard.
That's not bad. All day with the
Yeah, no, you done well, mate. You done a good job. Don't let me bloody take the bloody Mackie out.
Start it up.
Alright, so
Alright,
we're
here
taking,
we
are
go.
we?
Here we are.
Just tell me we ain't taking all one.
Can you get that gummy leg in there to start it anyway, or? No fuel leaks. Amazing. Pretty bloody happy. Woo. Better not film Tam. Have a look at my house light.
There was a redback, a humongous one apparently. The kids saw it hanging from the door the other day. He had to kill it.
Well done.
So good. Just need to finish. That's the bloody honey turkey.
Very good. Very good. Sounds good. Sounds awesome. Well done. Wow.
All right, a lot of people to thank. Jamie at Raceworks, Scotty, Pat for coming over, helping me, Chris for coming over and helping me. We've got Fossil, have a look at him hiding again. Tanya, she even jumped under the car today. Who else we got? Mitch, random drop in, showed me how to do the Teflon braided hose, so blown away. And if you're watching this, I'm seeing you at Motorex. Thank you, Raceworks. Go check them out. You won't? Like, comment, and subscribe.